What's good, YouTube, bruh, man? Kid coming through. Today, man, I thought, man, since it's Sunday, come I bless you with the 40 odds tickets. I'm not saying it's 100% sure it's gonna win, but let me quickly slide through to my VIP group nation and let me bless you guys with the 40 odds ticket that I cooked for the VIP. So, let's see what's gonna happen, you feel me, nation. So let's wait for this WhatsApp to load, and after it loads I should be able to bless you. So as you can see, my Betway Mentorship VIP group is here. It is real. I sent daily tickets. Like yesterday, only one team took us out, you feel me. We were securing 30 odds here. Only one team out of 8, one team took us out, you feel me, nation. So bruh, if you can, make sure you do check out the VIP group. Link or my numbers gonna be in the description of the video. So without further ado, nation, let's jump into it. So let's see real quick. Okay, so we're gonna scroll down here. This is 120 odds tickets. The second one is 120. This is the one that I'm looking to place you guys with, the 40 odds tickets. So first of all, we have Arsenal openly under 4, draw a Liverpool over 1.5, Spurs 0 or Sampdoria under 4.5, Real Madrid or Elk under 4.5, Hearts or Bayern Munich over 2.5, Empoli or Roma under 4.5, Real Sociedad or Getafe under 4.5, AC Milan or Juventus over 1.5, draw or Barcelona under 4.5. So these are tickets that I cooked and I verified them. So nation, without further ado, please do make sure you smash that like button for your boy. I will leave the booking code in the description. For those who don't live in South Africa, just use this slip to bet exactly the way it is. It's combo betting. So if you want more videos like this, smash the like button, nation, bruh. Nice, short and simple. All you have to do is smash that like button.